removing the doors on the BMW F generation. So this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4 series, and probably the 5, 6 and 7 series as well. So I've already got the door card off, but you don't need it removed. You've got an E10 for the catch, 13mm, and then you've got this electrical connector here. So the electrical connector, you've got to get the whole thing up, and then so you're lifting the top of it until it's unlocked. And then it'll come away from the car. So that's the connector removed. So just be careful once you've removed that. If you try closing the door, it'll just scratch the body. And also the door will now be able to open wider than it should, which means that once it reaches the end, it'll probably bend the edge of the door, so just be careful with that. So now we've just got the 13mm to remove. Now don't worry about the door just dropping off, you can do this job on your own. You can remove these bolts completely and the door will just sit as it is. It's slotted on. So now the door can just be lifted straight out of position. Make sure you've got it in a way that you're not going to drop it, and then place it down on something soft like cardboard. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped, please do leave a comment. For more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel. Thank you.